looking at us right now. Look at it.
He just took your phone.
Huh?
He's got your phone.
Uh-uh.
Today, I'm with the club. We don't have a lot to do today, man. I don't got a lot of time. I have a wedding to go to. I'm gonna give you a couple updates and try to have a little bit of fun, but I don't have high hopes this is gonna be a long, interesting video. If you notice, today I'm riding the Triumph, which is a rare occurrence. The GSX-R is in good hands with Chaparral, getting repaired, man. You guys remember that bike leaking antifreeze all over the place? Well, turns out I screwed up my radiator pretty bad, and Chaparral's taking care of the problem. As far as I know, it's just a radiator. The head is fine, everything's fine. That bike is solid, just a radiator. And I don't even need a new radiator. I can repair the one I got. The GSX-R, man, I don't realize how much I miss it until it's gone and I can't ride it. I miss it. I need it back. Well, I don't know what's going on in California. We've seen more rain in the last 3 weeks than I think we've seen in the last 3 years. No joke. Maybe even longer. I don't know, man. Another huge channel update. Got a new partner for the channel, LUIMOTO. You know, the seat guys. Really proud to be partnering with them. In fact, if you guys remember David from Metric Method at all, now he's over at LUIMOTO, so it makes sense, man. I've been friends with David for a long time, so I'm really looking forward to this partnership. We're gonna do some cool stuff. I don't have anything to show you yet from LUIMOTO. Since the GSX-R's been in the shop, I haven't had a chance to bring it over to them and let them put on the seat. The second I get that GSX-R back, you guys get to see that seat. And they're also gonna make one for the Triumph too, which is gonna be real cool because the seat's kind of ugly on this bike. Anyway, you guys watching the video right now, do me a favor. Let's give LUIMOTO a huge warm welcome. Go over to their Instagram page, give them a follow, let them know where you came from, man. Let them know that you appreciate them supporting the channel. I need some fuel. You need gas? You need some Taco Bell? All right. What are we gonna do for lunch? Kind of want spaghetti and meatballs. Club signaled that he wanted to pull in here, so we'll see what he's up to. I always wonder what people think when you walk into a business wearing a motorcycle helmet and leather jacket and stuff. What do you got?
I got a Sport.
You got a
They
fork?
didn't have any fire sauce, so I'm just gonna put a Spork on top of my food.
They didn't have any fire sauce? Get out of here.
Yeah, 1 star. Let's
Stop and get some fuel, and we'll figure out where to go to eat. I love the way this bike sounds. Can you guys hear it when I back off the throttle? Sounds good, right? I wish the GSX-R sounded like that. I mean, the GSX-R sounds awesome though. It just doesn't have the pops. I haven't put gas in this thing for so long. I bet the gas is old. We're gonna stick with the 91 today. Well, the GSX-R, invincible. This thing, a little bit more delicate. Need some fuelage? Let me see them Yeezys. What's that? Plumbing? Yeah, he's a plumber. You're a plumber. That guy's selling plumber stuff. Let's go look. Maybe he's got some good deals. Show me the shit, yo.
High pressure. I got that. Yeah, and all these right here, like 25 bucks a piece. I'll sell all of it for 100 bucks.
I don't know anything about this stuff.
These are 25 to $28
Can I see it?
a piece. This is $49.
You think that'll fit in my shoe though?
In your shoe?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
That's the main problem here, is it's not gonna fit in my shoe, you know? I'm like, I don't know how to handle that.
Oh. Put it in a bag, put it in your jacket, like I carry my stuff on my Harley.
I don't know, man.
Dude,
like,
you're saving all kinds of money. If you show up at a job and you got this stuff, you'll sell yourself.
You'll sell yourself. Dress for success.
Man, I don't know. I can't even handle this right now.
There you go.
I guess he's not interested. Dude, I'm craving some spaghetti, man. You want to get some spaghetti and meatballs?
Go get some spaghetti.
Anyway, there's a new spot down in Irvine. Actually, I don't even know if it's new. I don't know anything about it. I just know it's there and it's got a lot of really good ratings. So let's go eat.
What's it called?
I forget.
I forget. It was established in 1952 by...
Here, will you pull my glove off?
Huh? He's like talking everyone trying to sell them for me. Where do you think he got it?
Johnny! How you doing, buddy? Alright. The last time I went through this tunnel, I screwed it up. Wasted it. Tennis ball. Where are you finding all these tennis balls? This is how you do it. So you get the ball nice and wet, all that California rain, and then you throw it at your friend.
Whoa, buddy, I'm changing over here. Jeez.
No! What just happened? Hey! Every bike I have is broke now. Oh no, dude. What in the hell? What? Triumph won't start.
All your bikes won't start.
I know, every bike I have is jacked up.
What the fuck is this shit? Look at.
How did that happen?
Damn, dude. How does that even happen?
I don't know. I really wanted spaghetti. Go. This is stupid. The Honda's broke, the GSX-R broke, now the Triumph's broke.
WR.
The only thing left is a WR. Old trusty. And that's only because I haven't ridden it. Should I have people come down here and rescue us?
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess we're not making it to spaghetti and meatballs.
A few moments later.
The wife's coming with the truck, so we got about a half hour to eat. Let's save the spaghetti and meatballs for next time, and we'll do some Teppan grill.
You don't want to go to Taekwondo, dude?
No, I'm not hungry for karate chops today. Oh, shit. Closed. Dude, nothing's working for me.
Taekwondo it is. Oh, there's Italiano.
Yeah.
It's expensive as hell. Let's not go there.
Well, let's do it.
Oh my god. Why didn't you record this?
Go for 5 Friday. 5.
Disaster of a day, man. So all my bikes are down. Now the Triumph's broke. And we discovered this, dude. I don't even know how this happens. We did eat our spaghetti. I really enjoyed it, man. That place was pretty good. I don't know. I got to get this bike into Chaparral. Figure out what's wrong with it. What are you doing?
Come on. We gotta go.
We're going to Boston Market.
We got to go to Voss Market.
We gotta go.
Every responsible motorcyclist should own a truck.
Or a Prius.
I cannot believe this bike is broke. It's like instant karma. It's throwing wet tennis balls at you and my bike broke.
You missed. It wasn't even worth it.
I did miss. Did you get wet a little bit?
You got my Yeezys wet.
So, unfortunately, the bike...
Wait, you're gonna drive with your helmet on?
Oh, I'm making a video right now, dude. I don't know what you're talking about. I can't ride. Show must go on, right?
I think that it's illegal to drive with a helmet on.
It's probably not. It's smart and safe. Were you mad that you had to come rescue me?
Yeah, I have stuff to do. I was in the middle of doing a really fun load of laundry.
We got to rip on the tunnel.
No. I don't like that. Stop sign. Pay attention and just get us home safely so I can go put my makeup on.
Fun day as usual? Not really. Not really that fun. Unfortunately, the Triumph's broke. I have no idea what's wrong with it. Hopefully it's just a battery. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Be sure you check out my website out, suburbandelinquent.com. Always add new stuff there, aren't I? Not really, huh?
No.
No. Huge shout out to the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. I love each and every one of you. You guys keep me motivated and the bike's running. Huge shout out to the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry Haddad, keeping me out of jail. Seriously, if you guys are ever looking for a personal injury lawyer, he's your dude, man. Dude's a savage. Voss Helmets, keeping my head safe. And new channel sponsor, LUIMOTO. What do you think about LUIMOTO?
Great, awesome.
Do you know what they do? They do seats. They are a seat company. Remember, guys, it's important. Support the companies, support us. With that, I'll catch you guys later. You gotta do it.
He's looking at us right now. Look at it.
He just took your phone.
Huh?
He's got your phone. Hey, Caleb.
Oh, you bitch. I was gonna go f him up.
I know. What are you doing? You look like you're shitting a motorcycle.